Hey famies, welcome back to another video. I hope we are well and in good health. Remember, we are just a South African food content YouTube channel and we cook what we have in our houses. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment and share the video. Vlog, okay? I don't know whether this is vlog or what, but we are cooking. But anyway, before we cook, there were dijwana nyana to make. Yo, come dijwana, guys. I hate washing dishes. But because I was, we have to do it. And I hate a very dirty kitchen. So I'm like, let me get to dijwana. Get to dijwana. It's okay. A dirty girl. And if you are cooking and you don't have water with soap by your side, we won't eat your food. We won't eat your food because what the hell? You need to have water with soap and fatukunyana ya sula mazulu. Lisula lapho uphekela khona ukuthi ungabi no, So I'm trying to cook Sunday kos. In South Africa we call it Sunday kos, and then in India we call it mesmerized food. And awuna muthu adlungu ngangisha nyeke when mazulu nyeke limphikise mazulu hambani nani no sifundela. So these are my ingredients. I'm trying to do Sunday kos in Afrikaans. Ek sal praat vandag. Yes, here I started with my potato. I diced it, child. What's that? Can get try to perfect like some of your relationships. Relationship very perfect. So okay, dice it jamala lirking into. What do you call this? Potato, and then of course you're gonna sprinkle a little bit of salt. Don't put too much. The same way that you are being too much in that relationship, but they are going to leave you. You are too much. Keep quiet. Don't be a momo. So you sprinkle it with salt, okay? Sprinkle it with salt. No cooking oil. Did you see? No cooking oil. And I know some of you like cooking oil. You'll put a small one. You become a momo. So that the other side, that other thing, it's sweet potato. You know, sweet potato, it's crazy. It will look dirty even when it's not dirty. So thou shall be forgiven. And here we are going to cook chakalaka. We have already diced. Mama, give me 8 lemons for me. You know what? Did I just give them a promo? Free promo. So I forgotten in between that I was taking content, and I remembered later after cooking that, oh my god. So but it happens. Come like a beetroot and then coleslaw. I've forgotten, good people. I it passed my mind. You know, when you are cooking several colors, you there's a lot of things. There's this. So taking content, and there was dessert as well. At least nyana wa tsaki re je di sukiri nyana le be arwa go bone agere re ruja re taiwe. So yeah, thanks very much for watching. This was a vlog. This was not a cooking video. This was just a vlog. Chakalaka. And then here it's beef strips, carrots, and what do we call these things? Olives. If you are, yes, if you are like olives, you can incorporate them. So anyway, thank you for watching.